Good morning, students. Now we are going to see electric field lines. The electric field lines starts from positive charge and end at a negative charge. Starts from positive charge, end at a negative charge or at infinity. For positive charge, the field lines are directed radially outwards. For negative charge, the field lines are directed radially inwards. Okay. Next, electric field has larger magnitude at the surface A than B. That is, the number of lines passing through a given surface area perpendicular to the line is proportional to magnitude of electric field in that region. Okay, it represented this diagram. So next, never two electric field lines intersect each other. If two lines cross at a point, then there will be two different electric field vectors at the same point. See the diagram. So electric field lines, two electric field lines never intersect each other. Okay. So next topic is electric dipole. After formation of charge, what are the various types of motion properties are investigated? After this investigation, scientists discovered two different materials. One is called conductors, another one is called insulators. What is conductors? To conduct heat and electricity. What is insulators? It doesn't conduct heat and electricity. So one of the main part of insulator is called dielectrics. Okay. The motion of charge in conductors like a football moving in a ground. The motion of charge in a conductor. But that means if we give voltage, we get a small drift. Okay. But in dielectrics, for example, if door is open and closed, that means it will not many directions, it will be only one direction. When we throw a scale, it is a moving rotationally. Okay, it is also one example for motion of charges in dielectrics. So two types of charged motions. One is simply called as drift motion. Another one is dipole motion. Okay. So not only motion, it has drifted motion. It is always turned to twist because of the moment. Okay. This property called dipole moment. Got it? Next, the distance and charge to determine moments. Here it creates some moments. Okay. Therefore, the dipole moment, electric dipole moment P is equal to this A 2A Q. Q is a charge. Okay. Therefore, P vector is equal to here minus Q and A, this is the direction negative, I direction, I cap, plus Q into A plus I cap. This direction. This is positive I cap, this is negative I cap. So adding this two, P vector is equal to 2aq I cap. Why we learn this dipole moment is important parameters. This is very important parameter used to define dipole fields. Okay, thank you.